Hi, my magical creatures, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is we're going to talk about clairvoyance, and that's the psychic ability of seeing and everything like that. And I'm going to teach you guys on how to see through your third eye and how to get psychic information through clairvoyance. So if you want to stick around and watch this whole video through, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like, and don't forget to subscribe. It's a free way to help y'all grow out. So let's get started. Okay, so, all right, clairvoyance. So for the people that don't know what clairvoyance is that clairvoyance is the psychic gift of seeing, clear seeing. So when your third eye is open, you can see spirits, you get psychic images of things. Also too, like I feel like telepathy kind of falls a little bit into clairvoyance a little bit, but I feel like that's a whole nother video on that. And that's like my opinion on that. But really like that's so Raven seeing the future and stuff like that. She was a clairvoyant. Like she was seeing the future, and stuff like that. So basically on how to see out of your third eye and everything like that. So for me, when I was opening up and getting my psychic gifts and, things were developing in my, my body and everything, clairvoyance, first it happened when I was meditating. I felt this pressure on my third eye. So that means that your third eye is opening, okay? And so when I would close my eyes, I saw these pictures, these vivid pictures projected onto the back of my eyelids like it was a movie or something, like a movie screen or something, right? And I would see these colors, I would see symbols, and then later on when my ability started developing more, I started seeing full-on pictures and stuff of people and things like that. And then over time, as I started developing my psychic gifts more, now I don't really see things projected to the back of my eyelids anymore. I see images like flashes of images in my mind's eye. So with that, I started seeing things like it's kind of like a vivid memory, like a memory I've never had. Also too, like I also was seeing the future too. Like I wasn't seeing nothing like worldwide events. It was just like more like I'll see images of like flashes of images of like people, and then I would run into them later on that day, and they would literally be wearing the same exact outfit. They would be in the same place that I saw, but the picture would literally flash for like a second and then it would disappear. And then later on that day, I would see them like at Walmart, and they would be wearing the same exact outfit that I saw, and it was just crazy. So, if you want to like see images at will instead of having them happen like on their own, like picking up on psychic information, because some people are very sensitive to where when they walk down a park or something, immediately they're like boom, flash of insight, stuff like that. But how to see things at will is like, let's say like you go, and we do like a practice one too. So like when you go to like let's say like a person, something like that. Think of a person, close your eyes, and then just think of the person. Think of the question that you want, And let's say like for me, I'm like, for me, I would just do like what time is it, I'll close my eyes and think of a time, and usually it would be like 3 o'clock in the afternoon, correct? So usually I'll like, let's say like 30 minutes had went by, I will kind of like close my eyes and I'm like, okay, like what time is it? And then I'll just get like whatever the first thing that pops up, that's usually like your psychic sense, it's usually like the first thing that pops up. So it'd be like 3:18 pops up, and then like you look at the clock and it's 3:18, or you do like the psychic memory card game thing. They have like these cards with like shapes on them, and then you shuffle them up, and then you basically put them face down, and then you put your hand over the card and then close your eyes and ask like, what shape is this, and then usually like whatever, your hand that's above the card, the flash, it'll probably be like you're clairvoyantly trying to see, And then also like astral projection too. Like when I astral projected out of my body, you guys, I went to Paris, and I've never been there. Never been there. I wanted to visit the Eiffel Tower. I went and I saw this um in my mind's eye, I was seeing like this body of water that was right by the Eiffel Tower. And I was like, okay, that's weird. It was like a random big body of water, you know? And so when I when I opened up my eyes, like the next day, I Googled the Eiffel Tower. Guys, next to the Eiffel Tower, there is a big body of water next to the Eiffel Tower. I did not know that, and I thought that was super unique. So, um, definitely on how to practice your clairvoyant skills is you can close your eyes and imagine like holding 7 balloons, one red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and then a violet color. And then just imagine each, like while focusing like right here in the center of your eyebrows, just imagine letting one balloon go at a time and visually visualize it drifting off, you know, but you want to look through here, look throughout the third eye, and you'll start to feel pressure right here. And then just imagine like the balloon drifting off and, you know, floating all the way up to the point where the balloon disappears. And do that for each of the 7 balloons, you know? Um, and start doing that. And when I did that, like within a few days, like I started noticing, like I started like seeing things move in the corner of my eye. I started seeing like flashes of light spark, you know, flashing and stuff. You're starting to get in tune with the you're starting to exercise and open your third eye, and you're starting to get in tune with seeing things now. You know, also too like that. So definitely and also too like situations too, like when people talk to you and stuff, like you will automatically be in tune with them, and you'll see things more clearly too. Like you can tell when someone's lying, or you can also start seeing auras and stuff like that. Or when someone is talking to you, you can see more clearly what they're trying to say before they really say what they're trying to say. It's really interesting. Definitely. And that is my main gift that I'm really gifted at, is my clairvoyant skills. Um, but definitely, if you guys want to know more about clairvoyant skills, or if you guys want to book a session with me and want help on developing your psychic gifts and everything like that, or if you want to get a psychic reading by me, definitely my website link is down below. And you can also, you know, book a session with me and we can make that happen. So definitely don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay magical.